In my video, I will give you instructions on how to effectively get rid of the pop-up ads that are coming from the website funsmartlook.com. In fact, this resource is pretty similar to a lot of other deceptive pages designed to trick visitors into allowing them to show notifications and open a couple of questionable websites. Usually people do not visit pages like funsmartlook.com on purpose. The occurrence of these pop-ups may be related to the presence of some adware on your computer, or you could visit some hacked or infected website that could produce these pop-ups. It is important for you to realize that it is extremely dangerous for you to interact with ads. The pop-up indicates that you need to click on Allow to confirm that you are not a robot. But when people mistakenly do that, they will be forwarded to some other questionable content, plus they will start facing a lot of advertisements that will be displayed in the right bottom part of your Windows computer screen. So mainly these problems happen with Google Chrome browser. To fix your browser, access the menu, click on Settings, then scroll down to the Privacy and Security area. Click on Site Settings. In permissions, you need to select notifications and go down to the bottom of the page, find the malicious sites like that, and remove them from this list. So basically, this should fix the trouble. I would also strongly advise that you perform additional investigation of your system with the help of Combo Cleaner. So you may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then start researching your computer with this program to be convinced that it is free of any other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database to make sure that it can detect and delete the threats on your computer. Initially, the application, of course, is in the trial mode. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will perform the direct analysis of your Windows computer. There will be certain types of threats, for instance, those that are related to your browser behavior. In case there are some websites that display intrusive push notifications, they will be marked as suspicious items detected. In case there are some of the more serious threats like malware, like ransomware, or other infections, they will be marked as threats. So this is the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner. As you see, the majority of these threats are related to some suspicious browser behavior. For instance, these pop-up windows that may be the part of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browser may be very stubborn and annoying to attack your screen. Combo Cleaner with the premium version will help to fix these issues. Plus, there may be some more serious threats like adware, malware, or ransomware, or some browser hijacking applications on your computer. Similarly, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of them with the premium version of the software. And the premium version of the program will keep your system fully protected against such threats in the future.